Hello everybody. So hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about business and how we can improve our business with Theta Healing and what we can do around this idea and how to improve our business in the most efficient way that we can. First of all, I'm going to talk a little bit about Theta Healing and what it does and what we can do, how it can help us to for our life, for our business, in particular our business. So if you're interested to learn more, Theta Healing has many different seminars, including around maybe 25-30 seminars. The first one is learning the technique, and the rest are fine-tuning your abilities and also learning new things to put alongside the technique, using the technique. I hope this recording, it says live. What else is possible? Okay. Just to cut it briefly, what is Theta Healing? Theta Healing is a technique. It's a subconscious technique that we use. The name comes from the word, the brainwave, theta. When we are talking, we're in beta mode. And then when we relax a little bit, we go into alpha mode, and then we go into theta mode. So theta is normally a sleep wave. But during this course, we learn to use it in our daily lives. And why do we need to use this brainwave, let's say? We use this brainwave in order to create things more quickly, in order to also change our negative subconscious beliefs, and also improve the ones that we already have. There are many other things that we do. These are the basic things that we can talk about now. How can Theta Healing help us in our lives? Let's say we are not a happy person. We can actually do downloads, Theta Healing downloads, to introduce our subconscious what happiness is and how we can be happy in our lives. Because when we think about it, if there's a person who is not happy, who's been depressed for a while, this actually means that sometimes people actually forget what it feels like or what it is like to be happy. So what we do with Theta Healing is that we introduce to this person, reintroduce to this person what happiness is, what it's all about, so they can take it and put it and place it firmly in their lives, and then they begin to use it. So what they do is they slowly, or let's say if you do a lot of work on it, it can be even faster. They walk away from depression or whatever unhappiness is for them, and then they walk into a place of happiness. And then for them to be able to stay there, we need enough work to introduce them that happiness can be safe and everything. So this is briefly what happens with Theta Healing sessions and work. So what can we do about our business? I'm going to talk a little bit about the business work we can do, and if you're interested to do any of this work, you can take the Theta Healing Basic Seminar, or what we can do is you can also take a workshop in Theta Healing business work I do. Let's think about your business. When you have a business, of course, the main aim is to for it to be profitable and to have a lot of sales and everything else. And when this does not happen for a company or for a person, let's say, the first thing they began to seek is methods to increase their sales. What they do is maybe they put out more ads, they put out several different things in order to get more sales, and they try to do it in the logical way, in the linear way, let's say, and whatever other people are doing. But when we have a technique such as theta healing, what happens is that we don't need to do things in a linear way. It's important that we test the person or the people who are not functioning well, or let's say they're not getting enough sales, or they're not achieving what they would like to achieve. What we do is we test them and we see what is in their subconscious, because throughout many years we have found that if you don't know something in your psyche, let's say in your subconscious, then it's much more difficult for you to achieve this in your outer life or your real life, let's say. So what we do is we put these ideas, or let's say feelings, into your subconscious, and then you are able to achieve this in a much more faster way, in a much more convenient way, let's say, and without all the efforts you may have thought that you would need to put in order to do this, by through investment, through effort, through staff, whatever it takes for you. So whoever's involved in the company's decision making, or whoever's involved in the sales department, let's say, or even the boss himself, because it's important what the boss or the owner of the company is thinking. If he thinks that things are possible, that more sales are possible, if he doesn't think that it's possible, then it's not going to be able to be it's not going to be achievable in an easy way, let's say. Even if all the employees make all the effort in order to increase sales, there is going to be always a stopper, because the owner or the boss is not thinking in the same way. So it's important for all the people who are involved in the sales and the execution of this, the increase of the sales, let's say, to be able to be at the same level of thinking, so they act and do things in a way that they're on the same mindset. So in order to be in a mindset which gives you hope, which gives you the feeling that success is possible, that sales can increase in the short run, and also earnings can rise, and also any additional factors such as economies which are not thriving all the time, such as economies with hyperinflation and everything. So people, if they don't have all these ideas or how to do things in such environments, then they're not able to achieve all this easily. So what can be done is that all of the employees, preferably, including the boss, they take workshops in these fields in order to improve their business and work as a team. Because if there's a team, if they don't work as a team, then one person who is not on the same mindset is going to pull you back from this success, aren't they? So basically, in these business workshops I'm doing, this is what happens. I download to you all the people who are participating the necessary things they need in order for their business to thrive in the short run, and it's a lot of fun, and it's good to attend these workshops as a team, if you prefer to, if you're a company or of any size, let's say, or if you're a one-person company or two people even, you can come also. So this is the information I wanted to give. So if you're interested in these business workshops I do, please let me know and please contact me, and then we can work out a good time for you and for your company, for your employees, and also if you just want to attend by yourself, that's also fine. And looking forward to hearing from all of you in the soon as possible, and looking forward to the workshop and meeting you in person. And what else is possible? And of course I want to also add that these workshops can be in the evening time, online, or we can also arrange during the daytime, whatever suits you. Just let me know, and let me know in what areas you would like to improve your business, and you can even make a list, whatever you choose to. And looking forward to meeting you as soon as possible. Bye.